Hi all, I wanted to make a quick video regarding 4 new indicators introduced into TradingView since the 5th of March 2025, which is yesterday. So let's quickly run through those indicators. Before I begin, I would like to mention that this is an educational channel. All content over here is for the sake of education. Kindly read the disclaimer you see on the screen and in the description below. With that said, let's quickly run through the 4 new indicators on Dhan. So we are on the 5 minutes chart of Nifty Bank. I'm using futures over here because apart from those 4 indicators, there's also volume candles now available on Dhan. I just uploaded a video about 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes back on volume candles. Watch that video if you have not watched that video. So you're better off using futures chart because volume data is required for this. Volume data is required for volume candles. Anyways, let's move on to the new indicators introduced by Dhan. So we'll stick to this Bank Nifty futures chart on the 5 minutes time frame. The first new indicator is zero lag moving average. It's zero lag exponential moving average version 2. Click on this. Beautiful. It looks like this. I have left it on this default settings and I've been using this since this morning. It's a nice indicator. I think it's working on EMA 30. Use it. Can you see this line? Do you want me to make it thicker? Let me try and make it thicker for you. Okay, so that's that moving average, new zero lag exponential moving average that has been introduced by them. It's quite nice. I would not go into the details of the indicator. I'll just let you know the 4 new indicators introduced by them, and then you can do your own research and whether you like it or not. So the first indicator is zero lag moving average. I should also mention the name of the indicators in the comment section and pin it so that you have no difficulty finding the new 4 indicators on Dhan. Okay. So this is the zero lag exponential moving average. I'll get rid of that. So the next indicator is squeeze momentum indicator. All right, it's a bottom kind of an indicator, something like it's like an oscillator. There are a lot of indicators available like this, but it's good to see that Dhan is coming up with more creative features and trying to help its traders in whatever means possible. I think Dhan is an innovative platform and they listen to customer feedback and they work on it. So I'm very disappointed with, I don't want to mention the name of the broker, but they're quite large, but I just find them useless for options trading. Anyways, guys, you can see over here when the candles are going up. I'm using volume candles, by the way. I mentioned new volume candles are available on Dhan. You can see the impact of that at the bottom as well. If I change this to normal candle, you can see on top and bottom both the candles are visible with a normal kind of a view, but if you move to volume candles you get this. So when the strength of the candle is moving up with volumes, it kind of thickens up. All right, so the next second indicator that we discussed is squeeze momentum indicator, which is the indicator you're looking at the bottom. Try and use it. It's a nice indicator. The next indicator that they have introduced is called Premier Stochastic Oscillator. All right, this premium stochastic oscillator, again something on the same lines as squeeze momentum indicator, slightly different I would suppose in terms of coloring and all of that. If you move to normal candles, this also shifts. Again, how you want to use it is up to you. So you can see over here when the market is bullish it becomes green, when the market is bearish it becomes red at the bottom. So pretty useful indicator. Try and experiment with it. I'll leave the name of the indicators in the comment section. And the last and the fourth indicator they have introduced is Premier RSI Oscillator. Again, on very similar lines, close to the last 2 indicators that we checked. We'll show you green when the chart is moving up, and we'll shift to red when the charts are indicating a down kind of a phase. I really like what these indicators are doing. Again, I'll move to volume candles so that it looks like this for me. Volume candles again has been introduced since last night, since yesterday. So we have got a couple of new features, 4 new indicators and one new volume indicator on Dhan. I'll leave all of this in the comment section and pin it so that you have no difficulty finding this 4 indicators. All right, use it, see how you can use it. I really like the 0 lag moving average, so let me just get rid of this. So what if I had to use 2 indicators from here? I'll probably use 0 lag, exponential moving average, and the next one I will use is squeeze momentum indicator. These are 2 new indicators introduced by them. So if I had to use, I would probably use this too. Maybe I'll split the page and watch something like this. So apply the settings to the entire layout, and maybe I'll watch Bank Nifty on the left and maybe Nifty on the right. So my screen may look something like this eventually. All right, where I've got I'm viewing Nifty March futures on the right and Bank Nifty March futures on the left with volume indicators and the new squeeze momentum indicator introduced by Dhan. All right, so see how you can use these indicators and the new volume indicator, and I'll leave the 4 indicator names in the comment section. Let's keep this short. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.